Hey everybody, good evening. This is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at the utility sector. Won't focus on one utility company generally, but I definitely like what the utility ETF is doing here. It is breaking out to new highs. Now, I know it's typically a low volume week with Thanksgiving coming up, but this is still a pretty good sign because this is making new highs when the market is also right near new highs. So this is definitely a sector that I think we want to pay attention to for a while, because in my opinion, this is definitely one of the sectors that's helping lift all stocks. It's not just the Magnificent Seven anymore. So definitely keep an eye on utilities. Here's what I see from a technical level. We see this clear resistance right up here at around 82.50. We pulled back under the 50-day moving average, gave sellers a chance to get out, gave buyers a chance to get that dip, and then it came back above these moving averages and marched basically straight to the highs, and then again today got above and did it on just okay volume. Again, it's a low volume week, but I'm more concerned with what price is doing relative to the general market. So definitely like what's happening here with utilities. I think this is a sector you want to keep an eye on, and if it does pull back, maybe comes back to that 8-day exponential period moving average, if the 8-day kind of comes up like this, and the utility ETF bounces off that 8-day, I definitely think that could be a great risk-defined entry. And then ideally what happens is this thing continues to march higher. So we get that pullback, and then we see this thing just kind of going up and following the market higher. So that's what I would look for here on XLU. Look for a pullback to the 8-day exponential period moving average. Look for a bounce off of that key moving average, and then define your risk at that level. So that's just one of many things we're looking at over at StockMarketMentor.com. We'd love to see you there. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.